Done cutting grass hair. 2 to 3 days ago, my husband he cut grass hair at my brother-in-law house, hair down. Ayan, ito. And then my husband he put also some design stone hair. Ayan. And also hair done, also cutting grass. After cutting grasses, we clean, and then my husband he put water hair for 1 day, and then hair also he put some water, kaya nakikita nyo yung lupa dyan basa-basa. Ayan, so very clean na dyan banda, and then dito din. Ayan, done cutting grasses also, and then my husband he put some water hair for para ano daw, para maganda yung tubo ng grasses, maging green na green. Kaya nakikita nyo yung lupa dito, basa-basa. Ayan, hanggang doon. Ayan, nakikita nyo yung hose dyan o kaya pipe. Ayan, done cutting grasses na. Ayan, ang cute ng roses namin, oh. Ganda ng kulay. Kinat ito ng asawa ko, may parating na leaves. Ang ganda ng kulay, oh. Ayan. Yung isa ayan, nilipat dito ng asawa ko yung ibang roses dyan. Pinutol niya dito, tapos tinanim doon. So ito na yung fence ng bato na broken, na nahulog noong April 28. So ayan, kompleto na, oh. Ayan. Doon sa baba na na din, na done cutting na din yung grasses, tapos na din, na nalinis na din. Ayan, oh, ganda ng roses. Ayan, oh. Nalalaglag lang na yung iba. Ang ganda, oh. Ay, ang ganda. Meron din dito. Ayan. Ibang kulay ito. What you will make place hair dar? You make lipay hair by? So you will put hair back hair? Yeah. And so this is for goats. So that's why we make another place here. Eh? Ah? Yeah. And so you keep here also chicken hair. Yeah. So this is big place also. Yeah. How about bees? They're okay? Inshallah, there is honey, inshallah. And this one also I make here. And this one also will my husband also arrange here. You put also stones here there where you this mud. This one you what you call this? You remove bitin or hair, then you put also stones here. Hair.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
And so that it's okay to say, no?
Take care.
Hmm.
Because there is broken there. Broken.
Because of ice na. So this broken because last winter, January, February, too much heavy that snow. That's why it's already broken, that woods there. This place where my husband is putting water here, he said he will plant soya. Yung rosemary. All rosemary you plant here? Eh? Yeah, rosemary yung soya tawag nila dito. Mabango, parang din, parang coriander leaves, parsley. We make also canal here because what happened there? Too much water coming here. If you will not put this canal here. So that's why my husband and one labor they make canal here, so that if there is rain or snow, then there is no more problem here. Ayan. This one, for the meantime, we keep small goats here. 2 goats, small baby. Small 2 babies here, goats. But my husband said we will make toilet here up in down in this courtyard. This is very old already. Ayan. Sa taas may mga dyan, may mga stock na mga gamit. Tapos yung dito naman sa baba ay ng mga manok. Manok, kambing yan. Dito sa baba. Yan yung door na yan. Ayan.